Aba, Tito Binsor, thank you. Thank you, Tito Binsor. Oh, Sole. Sole. It's Sole.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Let's open it.
Yes, open it.
Open
Tito
it.
Binsor. Ma-open. Ano na lang?
Open it, please.
What's this?
It's a box.
It's a box.
Wapok na wapok.
Oh, malupok ta karon.
Let's open it.
Let's... Wow, lopok. Dua kami na ma-open.
Thank you so much.
Basta thank you, Tito Binsor.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Wait.
Wait, let's open.
1,
2,
2, 3, go! Oh!
Another box.
Another box, Tito Binsor? What's this?
The box.
Oh!
It's a.
Allow me. Sige. Wow! Wow!
Mangyapon picture.
Let's open the box. What's closing?
Ano na yung laba diyon?
Yes?
Let's open the box.
Hindi.
May message. Hindi ako na yan. Basta.
Open the box. Another box.
Another box? Oh my God.
Oh
What's
my
this?
God.
Oh!
Mama, gift.
It's a gift.
It's a gift. Oh yeah. It's a gift. It's a gift.
Sirapan nila anak.
It's a gift.
What's this?
It's a gift. What's open
It's
this?
it's uli.
Yeah, let's open this side.
Let's open its side.
3, 2, 1, go! Go open it. Ready?
Set. Go.
Ano naman? Sige.
Open it.
Hindi kita doon sa video ko.
Ready, set.
Hindi mo video.
Suspense anak, suspense.
Open it the
Another
first.
box.
Another box. You're happy?
Yes.
I'm happy too.
What's up? 3, 2, 1, go!
Go! Oh, what's this? It's a...
Another box.
Kasi wala reading daw.
Gali. Oh,
What?
Ano yung
Oh yeah.
oops.
Ay, may ano pa gini?
Aragay.
Lagi first na.
Wow!
Sana ulap. Ba plastic.
Wow! Baby.
There you go. Take one flower.
Pag-cover pa. May chocolate pa, 7-Eleven.
I did, Papa.
Thank you.
Ibis tit aja nak.
Mama, picturein niyo ko isa-isa. Picturein niyo. Oh, man. Thank you.
ano? Ay, nga pala din yun.
I did surprise.
This is surprise naman.
I did open it.
Open it.
Chocolate to. Dahil ka,
Octopus. It's an octopus. Octopus, Papa. Pa.
Picturein niyo
Octopus.
ito.
Ligo.
Wow!
Octopus.
Thank you so much.
Picture it ito.
Thank you, Mal.
Open it the flower.
Thank you, Mal. Wow. I have some lipstick.
sa comment section or sa may description yung link ng Shopee kung saan ko siya in-order. Isitahin nyo na yung link sa may comment section or sa description.